Hi, my name is Nicole with So Much More, and in today's video, we're going to be learning all about the zipper jig. This handy little tool is going to make working with zippers super fun. Let's get started. The zipper's jig is a third hand to use when you're putting a head on a zipper tape. This tool works with most zippers. The only brand this tool will not work with is YKK. It works with size 3 and size 5 zipper tapes and pulls. The size 4.5 zipper pull and tape also works in the size 5 channel. This is a size 5 head, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put your zipper tape through this head. So these are just some nylon zippers that I sell in my online shop. You can simply pull them apart. I used to kind of freak out when my zipper tape would completely disconnect like this without a head, but now I know how to put the head back onto a zipper tape. It's quite simple. So there is a right side and a wrong side to the zipper tape. And what you'll do is you'll put the right side of your zipper head onto the zipper jig just like this. So there's size 5 and I'm slipping that right onto there. Whoops, I did it upside down. On these particular zipper heads, the top is kind of pointed and the opening of the zipper head, see, this is what it looks like on the other side. So you'll have it on the correct way. See, it's open, ready to accept those zipper teeth from the tape. So let me show you how this works. It's super easy. So I have this number 5 zipper here, and I'm going to put the head in the number 5 slot, and I want to make sure the edges of my zipper tape are nice and crisp. You can put the tapes in one at a time, but I like to just throw them in at the same time. It's super easy, especially with this zipper tape and this zipper head. I find that it works really, really well with the zipper jig. And now that we know how easy this is, you can actually put 2 pieces of tape together that didn't originally belong together. So I'm putting a black piece of zipper tape and the white piece of zipper tape. They both have the rainbow teeth, which is fun. And I'm just sliding those through the zipper head just like before. And it's just super easy. Just like that. Isn't that fun? Such a great and wonderful tool, especially if you work with zippers a lot. This is a real game changer. Again, this tool works with most zippers. The only brand it won't work with is YKK, and that's because the YKK zipper heads are too small for the jig. Thanks so much for watching. To learn more about where you can get a zipper jig and work with zippers as easy as I showed you, head over to the link in the description. Bye for now.